Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rashmi Parekh, and today I'm going to show you how I have created a small workflow of automating the RPA challenge by using Power Automate Desktop. And so this is basically the already the workflow. Let me just run this workflow. So meanwhile, the workflow is running. The main motto of this. I have learned so many things while automating. Oops, I think I got an error. This was not at all ex expected. Okay, I don't know why it's usually come. Yeah, so I do have Power Automate extensions already installed. I'm gonna go ahead and just close it and to just run my workflow again. Okay, let it run, then only I'll speak that what are all the things I have. Yeah, it's running now. So in this tutorial, I have basically learned so many things, how basically you deal with the selectors, with the dynamic selectors, how you can basically record and then record your workflow, do the Excel operations. Okay, and so I'm going to make the tutorial all because I don't want you guys to struggle it for the simple things. Yeah, it actually took me a time because since community is also not there or that strong, you need to go ahead and read the documents and everything, then you have to do it. So if you guys are interested to learn in the Power Automate, I'm gonna upload the videos of it. You can do subscribe my channel to get the notification out of it. That's it. Yeah. So we are at round 7. And why I automated this website means this website is something like a Sri Ganesh website for all the RPH tools. Whatsoever is come, we mandatory have to automate this website. So I have taken an example of this. So we are at our last, and it's done. Yeah. And if you want me to just showcase right now, like if you also want to automate it, it's very easy. If you have already bit idea, you can go ahead and just do the simple step. You can get the activities from the action pane, launch Excel, that first row reason like column. You get the rows and columns count, and then you can read the Excel file, open the browser. Okay, and then we need to click on start button, click on start button, iterate the loop. Okay, one by one, get the value from the Excel sheet, last name, first name, phone number, everything, fill until you'll get this loop will run until you get the last row, and then close the workflow. It's very easy. And let me show you the variable also. In I think, okay, you won't be able to see it here. In case if you also want to automate, in that case, click on the selector variable, and then I'll show you just any either one. So here you can do it like def contains and then double brackets email, and you can change it like everywhere, email, first name, last name, row, company roles, and etc. Give it like that, and then it will work. Since it's a dynamic variable, sorry, dynamic selectors, that's why I'm showing you how you can use that. And I can show you the start as well, because since start is also dynamic, so button dot contain colon dot contains, then start. Happy automation.